Gym done. Oh, it was really good. Really enjoyed myself. And then I had the boss conversation with the receptionist on the way out. Made me feel great. So, this is going to be a reoccurring part of the vlog. So, are you ready for it? How to be a good brother, part 1. Yeah, please. I'm covered in mud, I need a shower, so let's just and ow. Yeah, we're all changed. Now we're starting this day off by editing the last vlog because that goes up tomorrow and I need to get 2 vlogs in one day. So I'm gonna edit this one, then go and enjoy Bonfire night, vlog all that, then edit it, and that's just gonna be my life for like the next year or so. Oh my god, that has really made me dizzy. See you later. Oh my god, it is Bonfire night. We're gonna go and watch a firework display and send the drone up and try and get some sick footage of some fireworks, innit? Or we might just get in that bin and call it a night.
This is you end in fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, holding out Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire in the trees, and I see